Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out on the trail 125. Got my trusty GPS on here. I'm headed toward that mountain just to see what we can find. We're here on the side of the road now. This thing's slow. I'm over here waiting for cars to go by and then I'll get back on the road. Like now. Here we go. Okay, we are on the dirt road. This is called Ash Canyon Road. I've been on this road before. And we took a trail that the boys couldn't make it. I don't know if I could have or not. But I turned around because the boys couldn't make it. It's pretty bad. Steep and loose, rattly stuff is the main thing. So I don't know if I'll take that one today or not. But we're going to go up here and look around. No outlet. No vehicles off roads. I think we're on the Coronado National Forest now, probably. Shows we're in the green on the map. I've not had the Trail 125 up in here yet. See a little road there. I was going to turn on. It's not on the map. Well, I guess it is on the map, but don't show that it's much of a road. Very long, anyway. Probably just a place for camping. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Gonna be a little turnaround here, looks like. Well, maybe. That one goes down in there. Now we're not on the map. So I don't know that this bike could go better than the CRF 300L, but it goes, I think, safer probably because you're not as tall. It's easy to put your feet down and turn around, maneuver. Didn't say private drive or nothing. Pretty cool spot. I wouldn't want to be here in the monsoon, probably. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought that was across the road. It turns right here. Kind of cool. Oh, there's somebody up in here. I wonder what digs them holes right there. They're loading buckets of something up here. In their truck, maybe sand. Is this the end of this road? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. People camping up in here? Camping? Oh. Oh really? Oh, okay. Okay, well, I'll go down and go up the other road maybe and look around. Take care. Mining claim up in there. I won't bother them. We'll go find another road. I think that's what them piles are, where he's taking in buckets and dumping them out on something. I don't know. Buckets of sand he's gathering up or whatever. I wouldn't know why he would do that, but that's what it looks like. Who knows? Pretty cool down in here anyway. Pretty cool place to explore around. See, like right here. Yeah, that's somebody dumped it out. I can see the shape of the bucket right there. So just dumping buckets, maybe making it smoother, I don't know. Over the rocks, putting dirt over the rocks. Make it a little bit smoother. They have a mining claim up in there. You never know what I'll run into out in here. Tell you. He probably didn't want me up in there. I mean, it can't stop me, but somewhere here there was another road went down this creek bed. Probably don't go nowhere. What does that say? Oh, ORO Perfecto mine claim. Huh. So people have their mine claims up here. Evidently, they're mining. Okay. Well, I'm not one to steal their whatever they're after. Gold or silver and gold, or who knows? Who knows? But I got the CT set up pretty cool today and ready to go, so got extra gas on it and everything. And take it out today and try it out with the new gas tank mount and the way I redid it and made it better, hopefully. So, sycamore trees up in here. I mean, it's even like where the mining claim is. Don't keep out. I don't think they own the land. They just own the mining claim. However that works, I don't know. This is a ditch. Down in there, it's rough. Boom. So much for that one. This one has a number on it, 5720. Got a water pipe here. Might be more mining claims up in here. Some kind of a cement thing was built there one time. 1-4. Old road maybe, or turn around. I don't know. Exploring. Oh, which way do we go? Which way do we go? We don't know, so we just go. I mean, surely nobody's up in this mess. You never know about these places. I can see where people have been up in here. The gravel's churned around that corner. Probably a side by side been up in here. Am I at the end of the road? Or no? I think so. Probably all kinds of mines up in there. Wouldn't doubt it. I think that's the end of the road right there. Look at that mountain. That dude's tall. It's way up there. On my little billy goat here. CT125. So what's cool about this thing is going out stuff like this. It's so much easier than the 300L out in this stuff. Not got more climbing power or nothing like that, but it's easy to maneuver. Oops. Drug my helmet on the tree. Did this one go somewhere? What did the sign say? Just a post there. I think it's going to go back to where I come from. That's what it's going to do, I'm sure. Just a little loop. Somebody been through here, ran over the brush. That's what it's doing, just going back to where it came from. Well, we're back to the road. We'll go try to find some other spots. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Stay tuned for the next adventure. Y'all take care. Appreciate every one of you for watching and subscribing. Right on.